to the poll at the beginning there, looking at employee engagement and safety engagement, and it's something Mark and I quite often talk about. The results of our actual JLL survey across the board for Australia for JLL came up with an overall engagement of 83%. So we were stoked when we got our overall index results back from the HSE index at 85, knowing that our all over employee engagement with all our employees was 83%. So it was really stacking up quite nicely with some really nice parallels and validation there. So the insights have been very interesting for us, with lots of positives and blind spots for us to consider. Even more interesting has been the post-result discussion with the business leads and the capability within this team to consider the insights with their work team. And that's something that's been quite enlightening for me. So I guess looking at the dimensions, you can see there on our spider graph, those areas around clear expectations, and then over in that decision-making and courage. So around that leadership and engagement, that engagement area, were the areas that really fell down for us in the results. Overall, the 4 aspects with systems, leadership, wellbeing and engagement, I've got to say I've really enjoyed those 4 aspects. The way I look at them, and I know a few people on the call will laugh when I say the pillars of our system, but I've got to say that when you think about when you're managing a portfolio like HSE, systems, leadership, wellbeing and engagement are really good pillars or cornerstones for any system to have or any process to have in the business. And it's been really nice to be able to put everything at home into those aspects and understand what the results have been in that space. So quite amazingly for us, some of the outcomes have been around health and wellbeing. And of note for us, and something we're taking very seriously, is that 60% of our people have been having problems sleeping.